Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So number 4 that is about number 2 to the power of 2. So we need to transform this one into this one. Next, about negative s, we can put into positive s minus 2s. Next, we can do about factorization by s. This one by negative number 2. Now, we can do another factorization by s plus number 1. And now we need to simplify s minus number 2 on numerator and denominator. And now we can put number 2 on here and here. So we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.